How to create a destination place. We will now guide you through the process of creating a new destination place. Begin by navigating to the Map and Location section. You can now see the entire area of your destination. There are actually two possible ways to create a destination place. First and compulsory, if available, is by adding from the map. You zoom in on a place you want to create, and if the place is already in the database, the mouse cursor will change and it is possible to click on the name of the place. Then simply click on the Create New Place and it will lead you to the editing page once you confirm or edit the name. If you cannot click on the name of the place, only then you have to create it manually. Use the black pin in the upper left corner of the map, or red pin will appear, and place it on the required location. This has to be done in as much zoom as possible to guarantee maximum accuracy. You can refine the location later using coordinates if available. Subsequently, clicking on Create here takes you to firstly filling a name and then when confirmed to the editing page. Now that you're in the body of the place, you can edit the name, narrative, and source. If you're using content from Wikipedia or any other open data resource, you should credit the source. If someone assisted you, you can acknowledge them here. However, if you created the text yourself, there's no need to fill in the source, as you will automatically be credited as the author. When you add text to the narrative, it will automatically generate audio for the place. The audio file starts with the place name, then continues with the narrative and ends up with the Learn More section. That is why we should not repeat the place name at the beginning of the narrative. If you plan to stay with computer-generated audio, please listen to it and adjust the text to avoid acronyms, abbreviations, or symbols that the text-to-speech does not pronounce properly. AI also usually struggles with local names, so if you want to improve these, please contact the SmartGuide team and we can optimize it for you using phonemes for a fee that is much smaller than recording the audio with a human. To upgrade the quality of your content, you can upload your own audio track recorded by a human simply by clicking on Edit, removing the existing audio track and uploading your one. Don't forget to unclick Auto Generation of Audio to avoid automatic regeneration of your audio. Only one track can be added. Once you've filled in the necessary information, save it. Next, let's move on to adding media, such as photos. To do this, go to the Edit section and upload the desired photo using the drop-down menu or drag and drop. Photos should be preferably landscape-oriented so it will not be cropped in the app, optimally in the ratio 4:3 and with a minimum quality of 1280 to 720. Remember to set the source, which refers to the author of the photos. If you are the photographer, enter your name. If someone else took the photos, credit them accordingly. Ensure you have the rights to use the photos. If the pictures are from a free source like Wikipedia, you can use them as well, usually citing both Wikipedia and the author. After uploading the photos, save your work. If you choose to upload a short video, be aware that video replaces photos, so it will allow you to upload photos, but they will be replaced by the video in the app. Please keep in mind that the video should not exceed a few minutes to keep the size and user experience reasonable. Moving on, let's discuss adding additional information. You can fill in details such as the address, opening hours, phone number, admissions, and website. If possible, for opening hours and admissions, we recommend using clickable links to official websites with such information so the user has the updated data and you don't have to check it. Finally, you can add more details to the Learn More section that did not fit in the narrative. If you leave some of the fields blank in this section, it will not be displayed in the app at all. The final step in creating or editing a place is the trigger zone, which we will explain in detail in another video. For now, let's assume we keep the default trigger zone, which is a circle with 25 meters radius around the place. Once you have filled in all the relevant information, save your work, and you're done. When you go to the destination page, you'll now see your new place, Cristo Rey, listed there.